Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to your one-stop shop for making smarter, funnier, and downright better buying decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers, pitting the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro against the Creality Ender-3 V3. It's a battle of epic proportions, like Godzilla vs. Kong, but with more plastic filament and fewer city-destroying roars. Let's dive right in. First up, the all-important price tag. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro comes in at a wallet-friendly $249. Meanwhile, the Creality Ender-3 V3 is strutting its stuff with a $299 price tag. That's $50 more. For an extra $50, I'd expect a 3D printer that can also make me coffee and walk my dog. Point to ELEGOO for keeping our pockets a bit fuller. Now, let's talk speed. The Ender-3 V3 boasts a print speed of up to 500 mm per second with an 8,000 mm per square second acceleration. That's faster than a cheetah on roller skates. The Neptune 3 Pro, on the other hand, is more like a reliable tortoise, steady but not winning any races. If you're the impatient type who wants your 3D printed Yoda head now, the Ender-3 V3 takes this round. Next, noise level. The Neptune 3 Pro is whisper quiet at 47 to 48 decibels. You could print a whole army of tiny stormtroopers and still hear the crickets chirping. The Ender-3 Volts 3, however, is like a rock concert in your living room. If you value your peace and quiet, the Neptune 3 Pro is your new best friend. When it comes to extruders, ELEGOO's dual-gear direct drive extruder is like the Swiss Army knife of extruders, reliable and versatile, handling PLA, TPU, PETG, and ABS like a champ. Creality's Sprite direct extruder, with its 60W ceramic heater and bimetal heat break, is no slouch either. It's like the James Bond of extruders. Smooth and sophisticated. This one's a tough call, but ELEGOO edges out with that dual-gear magic. User experience is where things get personal. The Neptune 3 Pro comes pre-assembled with a complete toolkit, ready to roll out of the box. The Ender-3 Volts 3, with its intuitive touch UI screen, real-time model preview, and multiple printing methods, phone control, Wi-Fi, USB drive, offers a futuristic experience. Plus, it's got auto-leveling with a CR touch sensor, which sounds like something from a sci-fi movie. Let's give this one to Creality for making us feel like we're living in 2050. Stability and print quality are crucial. The Neptune 3 Pro's dual synchronized LED screws and dual motor drive ensure rock-solid prints. It's like the Hulk of 3D printers, strong and dependable. The Ender-3 Volts 3, with its precision-engineered components and dual fans for fast cooling, promises ultra-smooth and stable motion. It's a close call, but ELEGOO's dual motor drive gives it the edge. Both printers have their strengths and weaknesses according to user reviews. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro is praised for its ease of assembly, reliability, and high-quality prints, though it has some minor issues with the print head size and SD card insertion. The Creality Ender-3 V3 is lauded for its speed and feature-rich experience, but has mixed reviews regarding its reliability and customer support. And there you have it, folks. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro takes the crown with a final score of 4-2. But remember, the best 3D printer for you depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're a speed demon with a penchant for high-tech features, the Creality Ender-3 V3 might just be your soulmate. But if you're looking for reliability, quiet operation, and a budget-friendly price, the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro is your go-to. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart, stay savvy, and always buy smart.